Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks again for dropping by. Hundreds of thousands of new books are published every day, and that means customers are flooded with endless choices. One of the best ways to stand out from the crowd is a powerful design, but finding unique graphics, illustrations, and images can be difficult. For this reason, today we will take a look at some awesome design resources, and I think you can almost guess it already. All of them are completely free. Also, I have the links in my description. All websites here provide free design resources for commercial use. However, license terms may change at some point, so please check all license terms again by yourself. By the way, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll get notified whenever I post videos like this. The following websites provide you with an incredible selection of high-quality graphics, illustrations, icons, textures, and mockups. These sites allow you to upgrade your book interior and cover design. Next, let's take a look at websites specifically for photos and images. Most of the available pictures have been taken by professional photographers. These are perfect for creating eye-catching cover designs. Our next category provides you with a wide selection of incredible icons, and these allows you to upgrade your entire book interior designs. And there you go. I really hope this collection will improve your design process. Thanks again for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful and inspiring. I would love to hear what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up, share this on social media, subscribe, and hit that notification bell as well. I really appreciate your support. Keep watching and keep learning. I'll see you next time. Bye!